tongue.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. Back in Colorado, the hometown, and it's snowing. So in the city it's actually not snowing at the moment, but today we saw that it was gonna be snowing around like 11 or so. We're like, you know what, let's just take a trip up there. And it's been a while, we miss it. A lot of people actually do not like snow here. You would think they would, but no, we're the only ones that it makes us happy. You know, we're just like, let's go get caught up in a storm real quick. As Floridians, you know. Look at this. Look at me going like 60 right now. So you can see that. I hope you guys liked the Seattle trip. That was a cool little trip we did with our friends. Now that we're back here, taking a quick break before we actually leave to Europe next week. And no, you know.
Your first time in Europe.
My first time in Europe, and no, I don't live this lavish lifestyle. I just live life on the edge, paycheck to paycheck. But you know what? Life's short, so we're gonna enjoy as much as we can here. Have some stuff that we gotta get done before we leave. And I actually want your thoughts on what do you guys think about the 17 to 20 millimeter lens. I heard that lens is pretty great for vlogging, and it's more stable too. This one doesn't have the built-in stabilizer in it, so it could be a little bit shaky sometimes, like right now. I'm trying to record. Ah! What's up? There's too much snow right now. I can't. Way too much.